Good morning. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today being the 1st of August 2024. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan for the peaceful protest. As you can see, the peaceful protesters are here. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan. Please drop in the comment box. Let me know if you can hear me clearly. And you can share this broadcast if you're watching. It is very important. Let people know what is going on in Oyo State. Oyo State. Hashtag end bad governance. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the 1st of August 2024. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan. Let's share broadcast. If you're watching, I want you to share this broadcast. End bad governance. Let more people know what is happening in Oyo State, Ibadan. We are live here. It's a peaceful protest. August 1st protest is a peaceful protest in Oyo State, Ibadan. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. It's a peaceful protest to end bad governance in Oyo State. Please drop in the comment box. Let me know if you are hearing me. A drop in the comment box. Let me know if you can hear me clearly. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Drop in the comment section. Let our refineries work and achieve. As you can see, the placards. Share this broadcast if you're watching live. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today being the 1st of August 2024. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan. Share this broadcast if you are watching. Share broadcast it here. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan. In the broadcast, as you can see, the youth and everyone are out on the street for a protest that is tagged end bad governance. End bad governance in location 419. That is not favorable to anyone. I believe we have a multitude of young people in the revolution that are here seeking for revolution, which is the people from Omoyele Sowore. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the first. Today is the 1st of August 2024. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan, at the road that leads to Iwo Road. Share this broadcast. I'm reading the comment box and I'm going to be reading out everything that is being said here. I'm reading out the comment box and I'm going to be showing everything that is being said here. Once again, it's a beautiful morning to you. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the 1st of August 2024 and we are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan for the peaceful protest that is going on. It is tagged peaceful protest and bad governance. As you can see, there are many people here and they are the security operatives here meant to keep everyone calm. The security operatives are here to make sure everything goes in order. Once again, it's a beautiful morning to you. So wherever you're watching from, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Yeah. I want to be reading out the comment box. I want to know what you have to say about this. Thank you very much. We are hearing you clearly. Thank you. Call me Miss Nikki. Broadcasting. Now, I'm not satisfied with the amount of active viewers here. I want us to enter into 200 active viewers now. Can we do that? I believe we can do that. I want us to enter into 200 active viewers right now. So just share this broadcast. Yeah, we are going there. We are getting there. For it here, but going English team also. Ìwọ́de ìfẹ̀hónúhàn òní tó jẹ́ August 1, 2024 níbi tí àwọn èèyàn ti jáde wọ́n sọ pé end bad governance. End bad governance. Koiki Media bringing the work to your doorstep. It's a beautiful morning to you once again. I'm reading out the comments. As you can see, there is orderliness here, and the security operatives are at the back to make sure everything goes in order. Once again, in case you don't know, this is Oyo State Ibadan, and this is the road that leads to Iwo Road. I'm using a microphone, so I just wanted to know if you can hear me clearly, and if you can hear me clearly, share this broadcast. I'm not satisfied at the amount of active viewers that we are having presently. God bless my people. Yeah, safe. They say it's going to be a 10 days protest. It's going to be a 10 days peaceful protest. Peaceful protest. And they are here, they are all out. Irrespective of whatever is happening in the society, they are all out here to make sure their good wishes are known. As you can see, they are all out here for a peaceful protest. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the 1st of August 2024. We are in Nigeria, Oyo State Ibadan. Share this broadcast if you're watching. If you want me to read out the broadcast, let me know. Share this broadcast hashtag. Share this broadcast and hashtag end bad governance. End bad governance. Share this broadcast if you're watching. Protest is going so far peaceful. Make sure no damage or any ordinary people's property. That is not going to be done. That is not going to be allowed here. The security operatives are here. As you can see, the people are out to support. Even if they can't come out, they are out to support the peaceful protest that is going on here in Oyo State Ibadan. And no property is going to be damaged. Share broadcast here. Share this broadcast. Share this broadcast if you're watching. I'm not satisfied with the amount of active viewers that we are having. Network clear. That the network is clear, please indicate in the comment box. Let me know if the network is very clear. Once again, it's a beautiful morning to you, Koiki Media, bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the 1st of August 2024. Live broadcast. Yeah, we do things in background. We do things in background, which is very important. Share this broadcast if you're watching. Please share this broadcast. We're live here in Oyo State, Ibadan, for the ongoing peaceful protest by peaceful protesters, by the youth. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. And if you are hearing me clearly, share this broadcast. Not satisfied with the amount of active viewers that we are having presently. Share this broadcast if you. Thank you very much. Ajoke Ajima, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, network is very good and clear. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's a beautiful morning to you from wherever you're watching from. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the 1st of August 2024, and I believe you are enjoying the good broadcast with the good network that we are having here. Right in Oyo State, Ibadan, for the peaceful protest that is going on. I don't want these activities to drop. You know, fake activities, you go drop. So just share this broadcast. You can copy the link, send to your friends, send to your families, send to anybody that is needed to watch this acting video. Said enough is enough. According to their heart desires, according to their heart plea, they said enough is enough for the bad governance in Nigeria. Enough is enough for the bad governance. Let me know if you're enjoying the live broadcast this morning. It's a beautiful morning to you. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your door. Today is the 4th of August 2024, and like I said earlier, we have the security operatives that are making sure everything goes in order, that are making sure everything goes good. Yeah, they are all at the back making sure everything goes in order. Let me know if you can hear me clearly. Sorry, we needed to make it up to back and front. We have the security operatives here. Everything is going in order. I share broadcast if you're watching. Now let's get into 200 active viewers. I share broadcast. If you love what I'm doing, share. I don't just want it to be you alone that are going to be watching the broadcast. I share broadcast with you about who. Share this broadcast. Mike, you can drop at all. Share this broadcast. If you're watching live, I want you to share the broadcast. Please, let your TV as you drop. You can tag everybody you need to tag on this comment box. You can tag Showore, tag anybody. Tag all Yoruba Nation activists. Mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí kí bàbá wa ẹni tó dúró tán. According to the news report, bàbá wa Olóyè Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho ṣá is a man, is the last man standing. Ó ti jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn they turned their back against him, but he's standing well and right. Ó fi àsìkò yìí kí ọ̀gá mi Ọláyọmí Kóìkì White Lion, the last man standing in the media. The Lord continue to bless and strengthen you. People are complaining of the hardship in the country. They are complaining of hardship. They are complaining of bad governance. They are complaining of the fact that the government has nothing good to do to them. I hope you can see everything that is written there clearly. We're 16 minutes live now. So share this broadcast if you're watching. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 1st of August 2024. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan, for the peaceful protest that is going on here. You can make a screenshot of this if you're watching live. You can make a screenshot of it if you're watching live. Àbọ̀ tí lè jẹ́ pé wọ́n kó àwọn security officers jáde, àwọn èèyàn jáde, wọ́n jáde lógún, wọ́n jáde lọ́gbọ̀n. Wọ́n ní rárá, enough is enough. End this bad governance, end this shithole country called Nigeria. End this Fulanized country. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ like ẹ, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe like ẹ máa share, like and share. Like this broadcast and share it. Don't just watch it, like. Just click. It doesn't take anything from clicking on the like and dropping the comments. Click on the like and drop a comment. It's not hard for Poju. As you can see, they are out here. They're making their hearts well known. They're making everything known that the country is in hard labor. Everything is hard, so hard on the country. As you can see, I'm reading out the comments that are here. Please, where are they ending? Now, well, we don't know yet, and I can't answer the question.
Let all our leaders now, all your partners, will be addressing the people at the stage there.
know if you can hear my voice clearly because I'm on a microphone. One thing. Yeah, this is the road that leads to Gates. We are almost at Gates, bus stop Gates. This is the road that leads to Gates, bus stop Gates. Thank you very much. So if you can hear me clearly, and the network is good and good, please share this broadcast. If you're watching the live broadcast now, you have to share. As you can see, everyone is out. And it's going on peacefully. I want to let me follow and be by. We have other people that are here also. Yeah, thank you very much. Once again, it's a beautiful morning to you from wherever you're watching from. Wiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today is the 1st of August 2024, and we are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan, location 419, Nigeria. We are live here in Nigeria. Share this broadcast if you're watching. As you can see, the organizers of the event are making sure that everything goes in order. They are making sure people don't go beyond what is meant to be.
Actually heading to Golf Club now, and then from there I think we're converging to Mokola and then some other people around. So in case you want to join us, I'm just trying to bring it to our notice that currently they are heading to our bus stop gates. So from there,
so as you can see, we are live in bus stop gates.
And then from there we're heading to Mokola. So see you there.
Share this broadcast if you're watching. Okay, I want to vanish on country. Yeah, I can understand. But I'm only allowed to sell it. Keep coffee sell it. Yeah, we want to vanish on country. Ǹjẹ́ gbogbo rally wa tí a máa ṣe ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀yin jáde fún rally tí a bá ṣe àbí tá a pé rally? Don't worry, everything is coming back to the order soon. I want to see if you can tag the United Nations. Tag the United Nations. Tag everyone you can tag. Let them know what is going on in Oyo State, Ibadan. Today is the 1st of August 2024, and the time is 10:04 a.m. Yeah, thank you very much, Coach Media. So as this is happening now, as it is going, let's see how the government are going to respond to this. I share broadcast. I don't like as it's dropping to 98.
Ìwọ tó bá mọ̀ pé ebi ń pa máa kàn bí àpòṣe kí ni. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ pé owó epo ọwọ́ ní máa kàn bí àpòṣe kí ni. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ pé ò lè rówó iléèwé san ọmọ bí a ṣe kí ni. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ wípé ìdí ti dé ìgbésùnkànmí ọjọ́ ọ̀la mú ọmọ bí a ṣe kí ni. A fi àkókò ìsọ wípé ọmọ tó sọ̀tọ̀ tó wà pọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ó ní ebi àìníṣẹ́lọ́wọ́ ìjà òṣì ìdíje ìpànìyàn ṣàkíníjàká ìjọba burúkú àìsí local government autonomy ìkọ̀wé òfìṣẹ́ ní mọ̀kúmọ̀kú fífi aráàlú sínú ìlera. Àwọn ìfọ̀ aláàbò wa wọ́n dúró wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ wọn. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ pé ebi ń pa tó bẹ̀kẹ́ bí yóò máa pẹ́ sọ náà wà ń bí àkọsẹ̀ kí ni. Àwọn òwà á dá o. Ìjọba búburú àwa kórìíra torí ìdí èyí ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Gbogbo wọn lò lọ́wọ́ gbẹ. Gbogbo wọn lò lọ́wọ́ gbẹ.
And move, sir. If you are not on media, go to the back. It is obvious that the DSS operatives are here. The DSS operatives are here. It is obvious, as you can see, they are here. You know, tell your guys say they know they wear palm, go this kind of thing. If they do broadcast, they wear palm. Once again, it's a beautiful morning to from wherever you're watching from. Wake Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Today is the 1st of August, 2024, and we are live in Oyo State, Ibadan, for the ongoing peaceful protest by the youth of Oyo State, Ibadan. I believe the protest is going on everywhere in Nigeria presently, and the security operatives are here to make sure everything goes in order. The police, the armies, the NFCDC, Amotekun, DSS, they are all here. Share broadcast share this broadcast if you're watching. Thank you very much. Drop a comment as one of the representatives, the organizers, is going to be addressing the public, is going to be addressing the media.
Behind the banner! Behind the banner! Nigeria people hold!
What to say?
Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wa ní yàrá kẹrin ṣé wọ́n ti dé àwọn oníwèé ìròyìn. Abẹ́ kí wọ́n kálukú wọn kan parapọ̀.
Please, all pressmen. Please, all pressmen. You know you are official pressmen. Please, kindly assemble. Hey, Joe, ìwọ tó bá ti ṣe press ẹjọ́ sún sẹ́yìn ẹjọ́ kúrò náà.
Lẹ́kẹ̀ẹ́ ìwádìí ìrẹ́jọ́ bá ti àwọn tó
bá ti sí wa lára tá a bá ní ẹ máa mú bọ̀. Ẹ̀yin tó ẹ jẹ́ olùwọ́de olùwọ̀ ẹ máa bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìbánà ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ o. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ pé wá fẹ́ olúwọ̀ tó mọ̀ pé bí ń pa máa bọ̀ lẹ́yìn bí àbọ̀ ṣe. Ṣàrí kí á tó bẹ̀rẹ̀
ìgbàlẹ́yìnjú láti ìsọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo owó à ń ṣe ìkéde fún gbogbo èèyàn lápapọ̀. Ìwọ tó bá rò wípé o lè lo ìsọ̀jalè lọ́jọ́ àtòní láti fi jalè tàbí láti fi ṣe ọmọ làkejì ní jàmbá. Rí i dájú wípé o ti sọ fáwọn òbí rẹ lé pé ọ̀tẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n láti wá mọ́ ọ. Àwọn ṣe ìwọ́de ìgbà wọn náà wọ̀ ọ́ lọ́wọ́. Tó o bá gbé ìgbóyà ní ètò rẹ lọ lé o. Tó o bá mú ohun ìjà ó lòdì sí òfin dání máa ṣe lọlé ìyá bàbá o. A ní àwọn internal security wà láàrin wa. A dẹ̀ ní àwọn ẹ̀fọ́ ẹlẹ́bàá àbò ti ìjọba. Tó bá ṣe bára wa ló kọ́kọ́ mú ọ. A ò fi ọ́ lẹ́ o, ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ni o. Òtún ni wá ìsáìmọ̀ polówó o. Ká lọ sí ìdókòwò wa wọ́ta. Of the greatest Nigerian people, our conscious Nigerian people. Orúkọ tèmi ni Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Solomon Emiola. Ìkan lára àwọn tí ebi ń pa, ẹni tí ó níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́, ẹni tí ètò ìjínigbé tí kò jẹ́ kí ó ní ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ nílé, ẹni tí wọn fẹ́ kó lọ léèwé tó sì wò pé ètò ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ làwọn èèyàn yìí náà lọ, ara wọn ni mí. Kò sí adarí kankan ní àárín yìí. Gbogbo wa ní kí ni? Adarí wọn débi tó ń pa. Adarí ni ọ. Máa bọ̀ bí kí lá ṣe. Ìwọ tó níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ máa bọ̀ bí kí lá bọ̀ ṣe. Ìwọ tí yóò ṣe pé ọwọ́ iléèwé rẹ̀ wọn ò rí san. Máa bọ̀ bí kí lá bọ̀ ṣe. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ pé àwọn olókè epo yìí ní ọ lára. Máa bọ̀ bí kí lá bọ̀ ṣe. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ pé ìnira orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ó pọ̀ jù fún ọ. Máa bọ̀ bí kí náà ṣe. Ẹ ṣeun. Sẹ́rí àwọn ìbéèrè wa lọ́wọ́ ìjọba púpọ̀. Olójẹ́ ká sọ pé ó jẹ́ ní oníwèé ìròyìn ẹ máa bọ̀ níbi ilé. Ìbéèrè 15 ni àtàbáníkàwò látọ̀dún 1960. A lè ní ìbéèrè 64. Ọgọ́ta ó lé mẹ́rin. Iye ìbéèrè tó bá fún ara lè ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n tó ṣe kókó jùlọ pàápàá jùlọ ni wípé a fẹ́ kí òpin ó dé bá ìjọba búburú. A fẹ́ kí òpin ó dé bá ìjọba ìjẹ̀bú-jẹ̀rá. Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa dẹ́hùn ó wà torí ló jẹ́ ká máa kà lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Àkọ́kọ́, a fẹ́ kí wọ́n fi òpin sí ìwé òfin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà 1999 tí kò fààyè gba ìmúdàgbàsókè ìlú. A fẹ́ kí wọ́n san owó oṣù àwọn olórí wa, ìrànṣẹ́ náà jẹ́ fún àwọn èso lórí o. A fẹ́ kí owó oṣù wọn kó jẹ́ bákan náà pẹ̀lú àwọn òṣìṣẹ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, yẹ́sọ.
Bàbá Pọ́sìtẹ̀ ní 70,000 ní gómìnà náà máa gba. Gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀ka iṣẹ́ yòókù ní káàkiri aládàáni táwọn náà ká wá sọ èlò. Ìbéèrè wa mi tún sọ wípé àwọn tó ń bẹ lókè òkun ìgbà táyé ti lu jára wọn kí ló dé tá nira wa lára. Àfẹ́ ká máa pààyàn mọ́ nígbà àdìbò. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe electoral voting. Ká máa dìbò lórí fóònù wa. Ìgbà alẹ́ nìkan kan tí ó ní fóònù mi ta wà. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé lọ́ba ṣe electoral voting gbogbo ẹ̀yin bàbá wa ẹ̀yin ìyá wa lẹ́ẹ̀lá àǹfààní láti ṣe kí ni láti dìbò. Àti wọ́n sọ wípé ẹ̀sọ́ ọ̀pẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwé òfin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà section 18 tó ṣe là ń kalẹ̀ ó ní wípé ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ àtẹ̀kọ́ tó yè koro láti alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ilé ìwé gíga. Èwo nù rẹ̀ lẹ gbádùn? Èwo nù rẹ̀ lẹ gbádùn? Àwọn àgbà wípé kí wọ́n fi òpin sí ebi, ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo oúnjẹ, ẹ̀kún epo, láti òpin sí àìsíṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Àwọn àgbà ilé ìfún wa kọ́tọ́ rẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ olùsọ kó ṣe ara
once again,
a number of us were given that seminar. A number of us were given that allocation of land. Out of the 11 of us, 7 were going to start immediately. Out of the 7 that started, 4 were killed. 1 was kidnapped. It was the past administration for your saying, the president of Ajumobi, who donated money to that family to bail that lady from the hands of kidnapper. When will this end? At what stage did we start kidnapping ourselves in Nigeria? At what stage did Fulani start kidnapping farmers? What went wrong? The same Fulanis, if we were coming from farm those days, they give us, we give them our farm produce. They give us Nunu. At what stage did it become like this? It is politics. It is politics. We are tired of Tinubu's administration.
What's your demand, sir? What's your demand?
Our demand is they should bring the price of fuel down. Dangote is shouting now. They shot him in the leg. When the going was good for him, did he come out to tell anybody? I dislike leaders who come out only when their personal interest is compromised. So we are saying no to Dangote as well. They are part of our problems. End bad governance. That is our demand.
Do you think that the protest you are doing today is enough to stop the government, the federal government to...
That is the only language they understand. That is the only language they understand. Without we coming out, Nigeria will not, our Nigerian government will not act our voice.
once again, Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 1st of August, 2024. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan, for the ongoing protest. As you can see, the security operatives are here. Well, mo mọ̀ pé tí àwọn èèyàn wa nílé lóko lọ́nà àti lẹ́yìn odi màmá sọ wípé Yorùbá nation is the best answer. Yeah, because gbogbo eléyìí tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí, it has not really wọ́n ti ṣe ju eléyìí lọ ní location 9 and nothing is happening. The best thing is just to split the country. Kóníkálùkù kó máa lọ ní ìlú ẹ̀. I hope you are enjoying the broadcast. Once again, it's a beautiful morning to you. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 1st of August, 2024. Àwọn èèyàn náà jáde bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé gbogbo wọn kọ́ ni wọ́n join in tí wọ́n ṣe ń bí báyìí. Some other people are out to watch, some people are out to work. I'm going to be ending the broadcast at exactly 40 minutes. I'm going to be ending the broadcast at exactly 40 minutes. So share this broadcast if you have not shared. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 1st of August 2024. We are live here in Oyo State, Ibadan, Nigeria, for the ongoing peaceful protest that is happening here. So we are 40 seconds out of broadcast. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today is the 1st of August 2024. Live here in Oyo State, Ibadan, for the ongoing peaceful protests. So let me see if I can take some pictures before I go off the broadcast.